Hello, car friends! Every recommendation in this video has been confirmed by professional mechanics here in the shop, so relax. Your problem has a solution. First of all, take a deep breath. That message doesn't mean your Renegade is broken or that it's going to get stranded in the middle of the street. What the car is basically saying is, hey, something isn't right with my electronic parking brake, better put myself on alert. It's an intelligent system, not a drama. Now, the most common issue, according to mechanics, is a battery or voltage problem. Yep, even if your car starts normally, if the battery is a bit low or there's a loose cable, the electronic brake system can get confused and trigger the warning. Many mechanics here have fixed this by replacing the battery or adjusting connections, and magic, the message disappears. Beyond that, sometimes the problem is an intermittent electronic glitch. The warning pops up one day, disappears the next, and drives you crazy. This often happens after disconnecting the battery, doing maintenance, or even from road vibrations. In these cases, turning off the car for a few minutes and then starting it again can be enough to bring everything back to normal. But watch out. If the message doesn't go away, it could be something more physical. The parking brake actuator or rear caliper motor. Some cheap aftermarket calipers or just an old actuator can send weird signals and make the car think something's wrong. Replacing it with the original Mopar actuator usually solves the problem for good. Another detail many people overlook is connectors and moisture. Mechanics and owners report that dust, water, or loose connections behind the bumper or near the calipers can confuse the system. Cleaning and securing the connectors properly often makes the warning disappear without spending money on parts. And if all the physical components seem fine, the next step is to reset or recalibrate the system. Using a professional scanner that reads the electronic brake module, the technician can tell the system, hey, relearn how you're connected and where your brakes are. This clears persistent glitches without having to replace anything expensive. Finally, it's important to remember that sometimes the message appears for no apparent reason. A day with vibrations, heavy rain, or even after washing the car. The EPB system is very sensitive and prefers to alert you rather than take a risk. The good news is that in many cases, a quick reset brings everything back to normal.